Hello, dear children. Today I want to tell you a tiny story. One day, a little bird was flying in the sky. The wind was strong, and the bird felt a little scared. So the little bird flew down and sat on a big, quiet tree. The leaves moved softly in the wind. The bird listened. It heard the birds singing. It felt the soft breeze, and slowly, its heart became quiet. The little bird said, now I feel safe and peaceful." Children, just like the little bird, peace lives inside your heart too. Take a slow breath in and breathe out. Your heart is calm. Your heart is peaceful.